a couple of these knocking around, what I bought from Poundland. Just little wooden boxes. There were no holes in the bottom, so I've just drilled a few. And I thought this would look quite nice on a kitchen windowsill with a lot of salad in it. So I'm going to pop some of my spare salad leaves in this, and then, like I said, we can just pop it on his kitchen windowsill and just cut a little bit off as we need it. So I'll pop some compost in here. Just going to firm it down a little, because I want a level bed in this. Then we'll give it a really good watering. I think I'll start off with a bit of spinach, because this has been in this pack too long as it is. You can see roots are right down at the bottom now, so we'll get some of these out. I'm just going to dig out these single plants, but then I'm going to put them together to make a bushier plant. So I'll just prick out a couple more. That looks a bit more or something. What we'll do is we'll bunch them up and we'll put them along centre. So I'm just going to make another one of these. And we'll go right into centre, and we'll go down deep as well. And then we'll put this whole bunch in. So if we just feed roots in to start with, and then we can push it right down, so it's got some really good support. And then that one skinny little plant looks 10 times better. So let's do some more of that. So as always, we'll just dig in deep and tease these little plants out. That's one. Trying to get the biggest ones still. That's two. We went with three last time, so we'll do that again. There we go. As long as it's got a bit of root on it, it's perfectly fine. And then we'll bunch them up again. And we'll put one this side as well. So we'll just make us hole nice and deep. And then feed it in like that and push it right down. I think we'll do another one as well in the centre. So bunch up, drop in and press together. So that looks okay already, but we're going to put some more things in. I think we'll pop in a couple of these beetroot plugs before they get too big, and they come out really easy. But what we're going to do is take some of this compost to make the plug smaller, and then I think we'll go here again deep, and we'll pop this one in and pack it in nice and tight. Got a lot of roots on these beetroots already, so we'll get these in there, push them right down, and then firm in. Then I'm going to do two this side as well. So now we've got that, but we ain't done yet. I'm going to add a bit of salad leaf. So we'll do one in between these. That plug's a decent size, so that should go in as it is. We've got one that side as well. Same again, just drop it in, push it right down, and then firm around edge. Just trying to keep those leaves off the compost. So now we've done that bit, I'm just going to add a sprinkle of bone meal to get some nutrients into these plants. So just for sake of a few minutes, we have this. And we've got quite a lot of food in this little box. We've got the spinach, the beetroot and some leaf lettuce, and hopefully as they grow they will fill out this box and make a big mass of salad leaves, so we can just pick from 3 different varieties straight off his kitchen windowsill whenever we're ready. So I'm just going to water these in now. And it also looks attractive as well to have sitting in your kitchen window. So just a quick video there. We made up ourselves a nice little salad box. Took a few minutes in a very cheap container. But we've got 3 varieties of nice salad leaves to pick at as we go through the next couple of months. Anyway, thanks for watching, I really appreciate it as always. And if you want to see more as we go through season, just hit the subscribe button and then press that notifications bell, and I'll see you all next time.